Hello, today I'll be doing my demonstration on the ohm meter measurement. So I have my resistor over here, and based on the colors, the colored stripes, it's calculated to be a 10 kilo ohm resistor. So I'm going to place it in this breadboard just to hold it in place while I measure it. So I have my multimeter here, and I'm going to turn it on to the ohm meter measurement, as you can see here. So then I'm going to take the leads here and place them on each leg. Try not to block the ohm meter here. So the reading is 9.8, which is pretty close to 10, which indicates it's 10 kilo ohms, just as the resistor's stripes suggest. That'll be it. Thank you. Hi, today I'll be doing the ammeter measurement. So I prepared a simple circuit here to measure the current through, and I'm going to put my multimeter to the ampere settings. Once that's done, I'm going to take my leads. I left a gap here for me to insert the multimeter in series in the circuit, because that's the way to measure current in a circuit. I have my leads here. I'm going to put one of it here and the other one here. And as you can see, the reading is 3.4, and it's in the milliampere setting, so it's 3.4 milliamperes of current that's flowing through the circuit. That'll be it. Thank you. Hello. Now I'll be doing the voltage measurement. So first I have my multimeter set up here to the voltage settings. I've prepared a simple circuit here, and we're going to be measuring the voltage across this resistor. And now I'm going to place it in parallel to this resistor, because I want to measure the voltage across this resistor. So as you can see, the voltage is 3.28. So this means that the voltage across this resistor is 3.28 volts. So that'll be it. Thank you.